for this call is because your account has been charged $300 for the auto renewal of the firewall
$300 for what?
for the auto renewal, sir. Today the auto renewal day.
I didn't authorize that transaction.
Sir, when the time you brought a computer, you pay the same amount for the security services, so which has been expired today. So do you want to renew the service, sir, by paying us $300 every month?
No. Who is this, anyways?
Or do you want to cancel the service and get back your refund, sir? What do you want to do?
Well, I don't want it. I don't want to pay this. Who is this, anyways? What company are you?
Sir, so this is Firewall Security Services, sir.
Firewall Security Services. What are you? I've never heard anything like that.
I know, sir. When the time you brought a computer, you pay the same amount which has been included to your subscription. The subscription has been expired today. So what do you want to do, sir? You want to renew these services by paying
No, I want to
$300?
cancel that.
Okay, you want to cancel the service, right?
Yes.
Okay, so just be in front of your laptop, sir, or computer. What device do you have at your home?
Do you want me to get in front of my computer?
Yes, sir. You just be in front of your computer. So we
I'm
will
behind
provide
it
the
right
cancellation
now.
form. Okay.
Do you want me to go in front of it?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, have you switched on your computer, ma'am?
Oh, this is a different person. Who is this?
Yes, sir. My name is Roger, and I'm the senior technician of the floor. The call has been transferred to me.
Well, proper phone etiquette is to tell the person that you're talking to that you're going to transfer the call.
So he did it by mistake. Actually, he
didn't.
Actually, he went into a sneezing fit. That's the reason I took the call.
A sneering fit? A what?
I took the call so that you won't be disturbed. I'm really sorry for that.
He went into a what kind of fit?
I'm really sorry for disturbing you, for getting this call transferred without you being notified.
What kind of fit did he get into?
Have you switched on your computer?
No. Did he get into a sneezing fit? Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Well, is he okay?
Yeah, he's having water right now.
Well, maybe he's got the good virus.
So there's no need to worry about him.
Well, you should pay attention to him. He might have something that he's spreading it to your office.
No.
No, you better check on him. You better make sure he's okay before you talk to me.
Do you want to speak to him?
Well, yeah, I mean, is he okay?
Yeah, he is okay.
Well, yeah, I want to talk to him.
Okay, just hold on for a second. I'm transferring the call to him.
Well, okay.
Hello.
Hello. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You don't have you don't have the virus thing, do you?
Yes, sir. Are you in front of a computer?
They said you were
right
sneezing or something.
Are you in front of a computer right now?
Well, now I'm in front of it, but I don't understand. The other guy said you had a sneezing fit.
Sir, first you tell me, do you want to cancel the service or not?
Well, I've already told you. I said I want to cancel it. But are you okay?
Sir. Yes, sir. I'm okay.
Okay.
Fine,
no more
fine,
sneezing?
sir. Yes, sir.
Did you blow your nose?
Sir, you want to cancel the service or not, sir?
Did you blow your nose?
Sir,
maybe you should go blow your nose.
Hello?
Yes, I'm here. I'll stay on here, and you can go blow your nose if you get a sneezing fit.
Sir, do you want to cancel the service or not, sir?
I told you already. I want to cancel it. Just cancel it. And go blow your nose.
Sir, you just be in front of a computer, sir, right now.
I said I was behind it. Now I'm in front of it. Where do you want me to go?
Okay. So first you tell me what device do you have?
What do you mean?
Sir, what computer do you have, sir?
Oh, what kind of computer I have?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I have a Dell. A Deli.
Okay. Okay, sir. So I'm transfer the call to my senior supervisor, okay? He will guide you how to cancel the service.
Why, you're not smart enough to help me with this?
Yes, sir. I'm transfer the call to my senior
Are
supervisor.
you dumb too? What are you munching on?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir. My name is Mark. I'm the technician of the floor. How are you doing today?
The technician of the floor?
Yes.
Are you washing the floor?
No, sir.
Are you cleaning it? I don't understand. What are you doing
No,
on the
sir,
floor?
My job is to take care of the floor.
Yeah, I know. You're taking care of the floor. What's wrong with it?
Sir, I'm just trying to help you. Just go ahead and switch on your computer first so that we can send you the refund application form which you need to fill up. Have you
Okay.
switched on your
Well, it's on.
Okay, now what can you see on the screen of your computer?
Oh, I see my desktop and my icons.
Okay, now please can you tell me which browser do you use for your internet connection? Like do you use
I don't
Google
know. I don't know
Chrome or-
much about computers. I'm not sure what kind of browser I'm using.
I believe you have a Google Chrome icon on your desktop, or perhaps an Internet
I don't know.
Explorer
What does that
icon.
look like?
The Google Chrome icon is a round circle with just three colors inside it, red, green, and yellow. Take a sharp look. Can you see that?
No, I don't have anything like that.
So for what purpose do you use this computer?
Well, usually I get on my bank and do my banking stuff with it.
So how do you do your banking stuff? Which browser do you use for it?
Well, I think it's this thing is looks like a little fire thing. I don't know.
How do you open up your bank user ID? Which browser do you use for that?
Well, it's got this little symbol. It looks like a little fire on it. I don't know.
Yeah, it's Firefox. It's Mozilla Firefox. Am I
Oh,
correct?
Firefox. Okay.
Yeah. You need to give a double click on Mozilla Firefox and open it up.
A double click on a Mozilla Firefox?
Yes, sir. Just give a double click on that browser and open it up.
Oh, okay. You sure you
And
want to
what
go to
comes
cleaning
up?
the floor? I thought you were going to clean the floor or something.
Sorry?
You said you were on the floor. I thought you were cleaning it or something.
No, sir. I'm not
Oh.
cleaning the floor. I'm not the sweeper of this office.
Oh, yeah, I thought you were. That's what you said. You're on the floor. Well, it's open now. I've got my browser here.
Now, what do you see on the screen?
It just says Googly on it.
Exactly. Now, on the very top, can you see there's a long search panel where you can type anything you want to search?
Yeah?
Yeah, you need to type over there www dot.
www dot.
There should be 3 W's, not 4 W. There should be only 3 W's.
Oh, okay.
Type W 3 times and then give a dot. Have you done that?
DOT, okay.
What have you typed?
www dot.
Yes, after that you need to type A as in Alpha, N as in Nathan, Y as in Yankee, D as in David, E as in Elizabeth, S as in Sam, K as in Kilo, any desk. And after that give a dot once again, and then type C as in Charlie, O as in Oscar, M as in Mother. Now please read out to me what have you typed over there.
It says www.anydesk.com.
Exactly. Now give a click on enter and do let me know what comes up.
It says invalid. It says your search is wrong. It did not match
Yeah.
any documents.
Sorry?
It said your search didn't match any documents.
Can you please read out to me what have you typed over there? I think there should-
www.anydesk.com.
Now give a click on enter once again and do let me know what comes up.
It says your search did not match any documents.
Okay, not an issue. do one thing, sir. I believe you are using a Windows.
Do you want me to do
computer,
one
right?
thing?
Are you using a Windows computer?
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay. Now take a sharp look on the keyboard of your computer. On the very left-hand side bottom corner, can you please confirm to me which key can you see?
It's a key that says Ketrel on it.
CTRL, right?
Yeah, it's spelled CTRL.
It's control key.
Ketrel.
And just beside that, which key can you see, sir?
FN key.
And just beside FN, can you see a Windows key?
Yeah.
Key with four
Yeah, I
boxes?
looked at the
Yeah.
It's got a square on
need
it.
to
There's some
press-
4 squares on it.
You need,
What do you want me
you
to do
need
with
to
it?
press- you need to press the Windows key with one finger.
Which
And
finger?
with another finger. Any finger. And with another finger, press the letter R as
I don't have an
Roger.
any finger. I don't know which one. Which one should I use?
Use any of your fingers.
Any one of them?
Yeah, any one of them.
Can I use my thumb?
Sorry?
Can I use my thumb?
Yeah, you can use your thumb.
Okay, I pressed it.
And with another finger, press the letter R as in Roger. You need to press
R,
both keys
okay.
at the same time. Yes, sir. You need to press both keys at the same time.
At the same time,
Yes, exactly.
I have to use my other finger then.
Yeah, you'll have to use another finger to press the letter R.
Okay.
And what comes up on the screen, just do let me know.
Hold on a second. Let me see what's going on here. Okay. I pressed
What
it.
comes up, sir? What comes up on the screen?
It's got a run box here, a rundy box.
Exactly. Now inside that one box, can you see there's a long white panel where you can type anything?
Yeah.
You need to type over there www dot
www dot
B as in Bob,
Okay.
B as after B it is I as in Indigo,
BI
T as in Tom,
T
then give a dot once again.
dot
Yes. Then D as in David, O as in Oscar, have you done that?
Yes.
Now give a forward slash,
Okay.
then type TEAM, T as in Tango, E as in
DEAM.
Elizabeth. Yes. Then the digits 9, then 9 once again, and the
Nine,
digit 8.
8. 8.
Now please read out to me what have you typed over there.
www.bitdido no dot
Sorry?
do
No.
slash
Have you
DEAM
ju-
9988.
Just read out to me once again.
Okay.
Slowly, sir.
www
Okay.
dot
Yes.
BIT
Yes.
dot DO
Yes.
slash DEAM 9988.
There is a single 8. There is a double line, but a single 8. There should be no 2 8 over
Okay,
there.
I'll take away 1 8.
Okay. Now over there, can you see an option which says OK? Can you see that? There are
Yes.
3 options given over there. Give a click on the OK and do let me know what comes up.
You want me to use my mouse?
Yeah, you need to use your mouse.
Oh, okay.
What comes up, sir?
It says, we're having trouble finding that site. We cannot connect to server at www.bidt If that address is correct, there are 3 other things you can try. Try again later. Check your network connection.
Not an issue, sir, not an issue.
Why do I have to go through all this just for a refund? I don't understand. What is the deal here?
Just let me explain it to you. Simply
Aren't you like a normal company? I mean, if you're gonna, what card did you charge me to?
No, sir. I'm simply transferring this call to our manager. His name is Jake. Have a word with him, okay? And
Why are you too dumb to help me?
No, sir. I need to go to the washroom. Bye bye.
Oh, okay. You gotta take a poo.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi, this is Jake. How can I help you?
I don't know. The other guy said he was gonna give me a refund, and he has me doing all these silly things on the computer. Now he's gonna go take a poo or and take a shit on the toilet.
Like, what you can exactly see on your computer screen? First of all, tell me.
It says, we're having trouble finding that site.
You are having trouble?
No, I'm not having trouble. You must be. Why can't you just give me my refund?
Yes, that's what my colleague guide you. How you
Well,
can
I don't
get the
understand.
cancellation.
Why do I have to go through all this stuff? Why can't you just charge it back to my card, like normal companies do?
We can't do that without your authorization because we need to cancel the contract with you by.
Why would you
giving
need to
your
authorize it from me? I said it's fine. You can charge it back to my credit card.
No, you need to fill up a cancellation and a refund form.
Well, then email it to me. I'll send it back to you.
That will be an auto-generated form. We can't
Auto-generated form? What does that mean?
That is an auto-generated form which we need to generate.
I don't even know what you're saying. An auto-generated form. What is that?
Sir, in order to get the form, you need to connect with the server.
Maybe you need to go to the washroom too. And sit on the pot and think about this a little bit. What?